Onyx Hose and Tube sells to a lot of distributions. We also sell to OEMs. DELMIAWorks runs this company, and what it does is it allows you to get your work done in a timely manner so you can think. The reports you get from the system, it's that allows you to analyze where you are, see where you're going, and figure out what the path is that's going to get you there. The schedule in particular, and the connection to production, the communications that it opens up, has improved our efficiency overall. If you want to see the last 6 months how this particular product ran, it can show you a little chart in about a click of a button. It's an incredible tool, and I'm so pleased that this is the tool we chose. DELMIAWorks, you've changed our business.